In our previous video, we saw CPS and the police forcibly taking Farzine's children. Many of you asked, how did he manage to get them back? What was the final outcome? Today, Farzine himself will share the strategy he used to reclaim his children and his vital message for all parents.
My mission and my goal in creating this channel was to not just educate and arm people with the truth that their children can be whisked away by CPS and social services on nothing but an affidavit from a social services employee and based off of nothing but allegations and hearsay without any convictions, emergency, or due process. It's mind-boggling and shocking, but you have to prepare yourself for this reality before it ever happens. So the mindset is very important, and I want to give the tools to the people to protect their families. The tools that I'm talking about are really in your mind. These are where you have to be in terms of your mental state to be able to act and react in the best interest of yourself and your family. Defending your rights is no joke. It's no joking matter. And government agencies and law enforcement will deny you of your rights and take them away from you if you don't stand up for them. If you don't know your rights, you don't have any. And that's the reality of it. So being complicit in this and just scrolling past this video means that you don't believe that it could possibly ever happen to you. Well, it can. Absolutely it can. All it takes is someone to file some hearsay allegations, someone who doesn't like you, someone who maybe owes you money, somebody who maybe has an axe to grind in custody court, someone who wants to defame your name can go and file false allegations or have a therapist do it for them. And this is what we need to talk about, is how can the government come into your home and take away your children based on nothing but an affidavit from a social services worker without proof, evidence, convictions, even the ability to hear the allegations against you. They can come take your children from your home. I mean, to a good parent, your children are the most important things in the world to you. When they came to take my child from my home, I feel I would rather give them my leg without ever telling us the allegations against us, without telling us what the emergency. There was no emergency. They just came to our home to do a supposed wellness check and then took our child, claiming they had all kinds of authority to do so. We got our children back at the 5-day emergency hearing and then again at the adjudication.
Take note, Farzine's great victory didn't come from emotional outbursts, but from knowing the law. Under United States law, if children are taken without sufficient evidence, parents have the right to an emergency hearing within 5 days. Farzine won because he proved in court that CPS had no real evidence against him.
CPS is such a lawless agency that they appealed the case before it was adjudicated. No lawyer believes they did this. And they're like, they couldn't have appealed it before it was adjudicated. Yes, they appealed it 2 weeks before it was adjudicated, after the emergency hearing was over. They're lawless. They're using taxpayer dollars to go after American families and trying to rip them apart. Emily and I are sticking together, and they didn't expect that. What they want to do is turn the woman on the man and then take his resources and protection away from her, so she becomes a sitting target. I mean, she's very vulnerable without the protection of and resources of a man. I think it's so important that we get back to family values, real family values. Now I want to show all you guys what I'm doing all of this for. The most beautiful, lovely little angel in the whole world has come out to hang out with Daddy. Oh, did I bonk your head? Did I bonk your head just now on the ceiling, little one? Look at who it is over here. Hello, beautiful girl. Hi. Did you miss me? Are you coming to see Daddy? Yeah? Did Mommy bring you outside?
I got you every day.
Yeah. Yeah, are you happy? Do you love Daddy's truck? Yeah? You like driving Daddy's truck? Say hello, everybody. I'm a beautiful angel, and God granted me to this family. So back off. Yes. Back off, social services. This is a happy, well-adjusted, very curious and confident, lovely lady. He's so happy and so beautiful. And Daddy protects her better than anybody else could. I promise you that. Daddy would lay down his life to protect this little angel. That's right.
Today, seeing little Roxanna laughing in her father's arms makes us forget all those nights of suffering and uncertainty. This smile didn't happen by chance. It is a massive victory, born from respecting rights and family resilience. Farzine didn't just bring back his children, he restored his family's honor and peace. If you found this story powerful and want to see more educational updates like this, please become a member of our family by subscribing right now. Don't forget to like and share this video to support the cause. We invite you to celebrate this victory with the father. Head over to Farzine's channel and leave a comment saying, "We are so happy your children are back," to show our community support. Thank you for watching, and may the Creator protect all our families. Peace.